Thank you for calling Comcast. My name is Jake. How can I assist you?
Hello, I have a question
Thank-
about my router.
Go ahead, sir.
Okay, well, this may sound weird, but I the Ethernet cord hooked up to my router, I shoved it up my butt, and I cannot figure out why I cannot browse the web.
All right. Well, I'll be assisting you on this one, sir. But before anything else, may I have your phone number listed on your Comcast account?
410
Mm-hmm.
825.
As I understand your concern, sir, you are trying to connect your computer to using internet cable connected to your router. Is this correct?
No, I
All right.
basically shoved the Ethernet cord up my ass, and I cannot surf the web. I don't know why I cannot surf the web.
All right. Your internet cable is connected to what?
My ass.
It is connected to your ass.
Yes.
Well, sir, I'm afraid I cannot help you on this one because I don't have a tool here that can fix the connection of your internet cable to your ass.
Well, it's stuck there. I don't want to go to the emergency room because it might be embarrassing for me
Yes, sir,
to
I
know that I have
understand
an
that one.
Ethernet cord shoved up my ass.
That's kind of really weird. But, sir, I suggest you try to use some lubricant so that you can pull out the internet cable from your ass.
I've tried lubricant. It does not work. I think I might
All
need
right.
surgery. I was just in the middle of some foreplay last night with my wife.
Mm-hmm. Well, let me go ahead and check on something here on my end, all right? Give me a moment.
It hurts very bad.
Relax. Just give me a moment here. Well, sir, have you called on your personal doctor about this matter?
No, like I said, I'm very embarrassed about it. It's just a very
Mm,
embarrassing thing to talk about. I can't even begin to explain.
I understand, sir. But if you really need help, we really need to contact our medical professionals about this one. It may be embarrassing for now, sir, but you'll get well after this one.
But can't I just pull the Ethernet cord out of my ass?
Well, so that this one cannot be
Would
very
it cause any
embarrassing.
rectal damage?
No, I'm not really sure about that, sir. I'm just the technical guy here at Comcast. I cannot give you any information about your medical status. So I suggest, sir, try to cut off this cable cord and go to the nearest hospital or call 911 instead.
Okay.
Right. Just cut a cable as short as possible that you can hide it from your pants. Then go to the nearest hospital or call 911 instead.
All right.
All right. Now, sir, good luck with that. And also, is there anything else that I can help you with?
Other than that, I would just like to know what the cost is for, say, a certain channel,
Mm-hmm.
Cinemax,
Mm-hmm.
where they show the beautiful, luscious ladies and their.
Mm-hmm. Well, sir, we will be assisting you definitely on that one, and we can give you all the luscious channels that we have here. But I suggest you prioritize first your medical status, sir.
Because I really love those beautiful, luscious ladies.
I
It
understand,
really
sir. I
turns me
also
on.
love them. All right. Well, is there anything else that I can help you with, sir?
No, that is all.
All right. Have a great day. Thank you for choosing Comcast. Bye bye.